So now we're going to use the online dictionary to help us spell a word so that we can use it correctly when we're doing our writing. So right now I have the online dictionary on our screen on slide 5. If you want to figure out like the word villain, we would go onto the dictionary and sound it out. It starts with a V and it has a sound ill. Sounds like pill, so I'm assuming it's I-L. And maybe, oh, look at the drop-down menu. It's got some words, and maybe some of those vile villain. So there's the word villain right there. We click on it, and we can get the definition of the word villain. Not only do we get the word villain, but we also have the actual spelling of the word villain. Okay, so that's an example of how you can use the dictionary, not just to help you get the definition of the word, but also to help you with spelling. So let's try another one. Maybe we could do beautiful. That's a hard word to spell without seeing it, so I'm going to sound it out. Beautiful. And no suggestions for that word, so I'm just going to go ahead and search and see what it comes with. So if you look at the list, it says it didn't find that word, but you can see all the different choices. And that looks like a familiar word, so I would click on it. And now it helps us spell the word beautiful. It also gives us the definition. Okay. So you'll notice that I'm always looking at the word, and I'm looking at underneath the word to help me spell or find different spellings for the word. Another word that I want to point out is happy. And we're going to put this word in our chart on the next slide. So we know how to spell happy. We find it, but if you also look, see here's the word, but underneath the word, there's also different spelling, different ways to spell happy. So there's happier and happiest. So now I'm going to go to the chart on slide 7, and I did that. The word I looked for was happy, and one of the words that I can spell is happiest and happier. And so there's your example. So what you're going to do is you're going to go back to slide 5, use the online dictionary by clicking on the picture or on the word dictionary. Click the blue, right? And then you're going to type in the word story and find out other ways to spell story correctly. You're going to type in the word mouse and see the other words that we could spell for mouse, and cry. All right? And then you're going to move on to the next slide. Good luck.